oleme siis Astana tiimi
hotelli juures. Poisid hakkavad kohe trenni minema või õigemini siis homse proloogi trassiga tutvuma, et peaksid suht kohe nad varsti välja tulema. Et proovime siit mingit materjali saada ja ehk paar sõna ka, kuidas siis neil olla on.
Siis näitan seda ala ka lähemalt. What you are making there?
Sorry?
What you are making there?
Just taking the breakfast away. The riders are just going out for a sprint now, so we just cleared all the breakfast.
Riders?
Yeah. Okay. And then we're about to prepare some lunch and stuff when the guys are coming back. We're gonna grill some chicken, and then we're gonna have a lot of real vegetables, a lot of like really low carb now. We're just training now. The race haven't started yet, so.
It's faster than that.
Yeah, I know. I take this, I put here, and I go tomorrow with this.
What's your plans for today? What's your plans for today?
Now the plan is go with the bike to the swim pool.
Yes.
Go there, take a coke. Enjoy.
Okay.
Easy training today. For look what is the feeling with my I am so sorry.